MetaCam Studio is the dedicated post-processing software for the SkylandX MetaCam handheld scanner. It offers a powerful suite for optimizing, editing, and analyzing point cloud data. To get started, register and log into your SkylandX account. From the Settings menu, you can adjust the language and measurement units, check for updates, or set a custom workspace path. A shortcut to the user manual is also available here for quick reference. On the home screen, you can create new post-processing tasks, set file paths, and configure optimization parameters. RTK, control points, and resuming scan options are only available if these features were enabled during the scan. Please refer to our dedicated tutorials for more details. Use Batch to handle multiple files simultaneously. You can also quickly access processed data from the task list, or by clicking Open. Use the Start tab to edit and analyze imported point clouds. The 3D viewport displays any layers currently selected in the layer menu. Selecting a point cloud layer allows you to view its properties and adjust the point size or rendering mode. For measurement layers, the Attribute window displays values that can be copied directly to your clipboard. Use the toolbar to quickly toggle roam mode, apply EDL or X-ray effects, and switch between perspective and orthographic projection, or snap to standard viewpoints. The top menu bar allows you to quickly open local files, which will then appear in the Layers panel. Use the registration tool to align overlapping datasets by identifying common points across scans. Then use the Merge tool to combine them into a single final result. Use the RCP tool to export your data directly to RCP format. The software features a comprehensive suite of measurement tools for distance, area, height, angle, coordinates, and volume. For precise editing, use the cross-section, segment, or profile tools to isolate specific areas of your data. The Compare Point Cloud tool allows for visual analysis between two datasets. The Compare Photo tool provides a synchronized view of the point cloud, floor plan, trajectory, and captured images. We will dive deeper into each of these features in our upcoming MetaCam Studio tutorial series.